Welcome to one of the most important aspects of working with large-scale data, whether what we are doing is going to meet the ethical standards of our organisation or our own standards. If the data that we collect is a model of the world, then we have to think about the fact that anything we discover about that data is going to tell us things about real people, real places, or real situations. Let's start by considering ethics. Ethics are the set of principles that tell us how to do things or that guide our behaviour. While there are many different ways of thinking about ethics, there are three basic types of ethics. Ethics that concentrate on the results of what you do, ethics that concentrate on how well you obey the rules, and ethics that are based on trying to be a good person. We can call ethics that focus on the outcome consequentialist ethics, ethics that focus on how well we follow the rules duty-based ethics, and the ones that focus on trying to be a good person virtue ethics. People have been thinking about ethics for as long as there have been people. More recently, we've developed new branches of ethics, especially around science and medical research, because of unethical behaviour in the past. Such behaviour includes medical experimentation without a clear purpose for unscientific reasons that does not recognise fundamental human rights. If we want to do any scientific research on human behaviour at the university, even if it's just asking them questions, we usually need to conduct a review of the ethics involved to make sure that what we are doing is necessary and that no one is going to be worse off as a result. So what does this have to do with data sources? Historically, we tend to think more about ethics after we've made some terrible mistakes. For example, the medical experiments of World War II, among others, led to the development of modern ethical standards for medicine. Businesses are starting to use big data and analytics more and more. For example, companies such as Facebook, Airbnb and Uber have access to an enormous amount of data that could, when analysed, reveal far more about their users than many would realise. As a result, we have a new area in which to think about ethics. Rather than wait until we make mistakes, many people working in big data are trying to work out how we can start from an ethical basis and maybe avoid some mistakes this time. In this section, you'll be learning about considering where your data came from, how it was collected, what the ethical implications are, and whether a particular analysis needs more ethical preparation before it's carried out. Let's get into it.